You realize your house doesn't need expensive renovations, it just needs better lighting. Hi, I'm Chantel with WTI. I originally grabbed these lights from FW Designs to spotlight some wall art, and they honestly made the room look way more expensive. The 360-degree rotation lets you angle the light exactly where you want it. And being rechargeable means no ugly wires hanging everywhere. You can just pop it off the magnet to charge. But the thing I didn't expect, they're incredible as bedside lighting. I'm loving the dimmable feature. I mounted these above artwork next to the bed and ditched my table lamps that took up too much space. Now I've got soft lighting for reading, winding down, or getting up early without blasting the whole room with overhead lights. What I like is you've got options. You can hard mount them if you want something permanent, or use the included adhesive stickers. I went with the adhesive because I didn't feel like drilling holes, and they have held up surprisingly well and still feel very secure. You can easily remove them without causing damage to the paint as well. So if you're looking for a simple upgrade that makes your artwork stand out and doubles as really clean bedside lighting, these are an excellent option and I highly recommend, but that's just my point of view.